A very good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. Continue the same chapter. Open your book at page number 119. Guess their weights and match. Children, see here 6 things are given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you have to guess the weights of these things. Weights are also given there. First of all, we will check the weight of an elephant. Obviously, the weight of an elephant will be of a very big weight. So, more than 1000 kg. This weight will be of elephant. So, we will match 1000 kg with elephant. Now, come to the lesser weight than the 1000 kg, 400 kg. 400 kg we will match with this cow. Next one is 80 kg. 80 kg weight will be of the sack. Sack means किसी भी चीज़ की बोरी. Next will be 10 kg. 10 kg weight will be of this bag, luggage bag, or we can say tachi. Next one is 2 kilograms. 2 kg will be the weight of this small dog or a puppy. And last one is mango. So mango can be the weight of less than 1 kg. So in this way you will match the weights with these things. Next one is guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kilogram, which one will weigh less than 1 kilogram. Children, in this you have to write down the weights more than 1 kilograms or less than. Come to the first, your school bag. Your school bag weights will be more than 1 kg. So you will write here more than 1 kg. Second is geometry box, less than 1 kg. So you will write less than 1 kg because geometry box is very light in weight. Next one is a brick. Brick is more than 1 kg because brick is heavy in weight. Next one is a big pumpkin. Big pumpkin is more than 1 kg. Next one is your pair of slippers or shoes, less than 1 kg. Bring a balance and 1 kg weight to class. Check if your guess was right. Now we cannot come to the class, but yes, we can check 1 kg weight at your home. Check it. Yes, it will be our guess will be right. Next, come to the next page. Use your balance to find which of the following is heavier. First one is a water bottle or a cricket ball. Children, see in this picture, in this side here is a cricket ball and on this side there is a water bottle. I told you earlier that the objects which are heavy in weight that always goes down, and the objects which are lighter in weight that always in upward position. So in this picture you can easily check that a cricket ball is heavy in weight and water bottle is light in weight. So you can take cricket ball is heavier. Second one is your shoe or your pencil box. Then your shoe will be in heavy in weight. Next one is your maths book or Hindi book. And fourth one is your bag or your friend's bag. Children, in these two, the answer may be vary. Your Hindi book can be also a heavier or your maths book can also be heavier. So the answer may be vary. Any of you can take. If your maths book is heavier than your Hindi book, then you can mark on maths book if it is heavier. In the same way, if your bag is heavier or your friend's bag is heavier. So answers may be vary from student to student. So which one is heavier, you mark over there. Next is weigh 1 kg of mud or sand. Divide it equally into 2 bags. Use the balance to check if both the bags have equal weight. Children, see. If you divide the 1 kilogram of mud or sand in 2 bags, It means that you are dividing half kg on this side and half kg on this side. And use the balance to check if both bags have equal weights. Yes, the balance will be of same. Here is half kg and again here, this side of half kg. Each bag of mud is your half kg weight. Use it to weigh some other things around you. You can also do this activity weighing apples or anything at home. Make a list of things. First one is make a list of things weighing less than half kg. You have to write down all the things which are less than in half kg, like belt, watch, geometry box, your lunch box, one glass filled with water, and many more things you can write. Anything you can write which are less than half kg. And second one is things weighing more than half kg. It can be of chair, weight of TV, weight of fridge, weight of your body, your school bag, anything else you can write down here. Now come to the next page. Look for weights and balances. Make a trip to nearest junk dealer, vegetable shop and grocery shop. Junk dealer कौन होता है? Who buy and sells the discarded products. Means जैसे कबाड़ी वाला होता है. Vegetable shop and grocery shop. Have a look at the weights they use. Find out who uses the biggest weight. Answer will be junk dealer. क्योंकि जो जंक डीलर होता है, जो कबाड़ी वाला होता है, उसके बाद क्या होता है, उसके पास बहुत हैवी सामान होता है जो कि वो बाय या सेल करता है. सो बिगेस्ट वेट किसके पास होता है? जंक डीलर के पास. सेकेंड वन इज हु यूजेस द स्मॉलेस्ट वेट. ग्रोसरी शॉप यूजेस द स्मॉलेस्ट वेट. क्योंकि ग्रोसरी शॉप पे क्या होते हैं, हमारे पास स्मॉल थिंग्स होती है, लाइक पैकेट ऑफ बिस्किट, पैकेट ऑफ चिप्स, 150 grams of salt, 150 grams of dhania powder, etc. etc. So grocery shop use the smallest weight. Have you seen any of these balances? Children, see, these all are the different types of weighing balances. See, this we call the spring balance. It is used to measure the weight of a cylinder. This is again a weighing machine. This machine is in the mithai shop, but nowadays vegetable shopkeepers are also using this machine. This is also a weighing machine. You can see this machine when newspaper जो होता है, रद्दी वाला होता है, वो आपके घर पे आता है, तो he use this type of weighing balance. And this is also a weighing balance. Here we put the weighing bars and on this side we put the objects, and this is the point, and this one is the point where the balance is checked. Next is, so have you seen any of these balances? Yes, I can write here. Yes, I have seen all these type of balances. If you have, how many you have seen, you can write here. In which shop would you find the following types of weights? Discuss with your friends. See, children, see, these are the weighing bars. 500 grams, 2 kg and 10 kgs. And we see these weights in grocery shops. ग्रॉसरी शॉप से हम इसको वेट्स देखते हैं. अगर हम चाहते हैं ग्रॉसरी लेने के लिए, व्हेन वी गो टू द मार्केट, सपोज वी आर परचेजिंग 2 kg tomatoes, 2 kg mangoes, then these weighing bars are used. This big bar is mainly used where the grains are cells, dalein, pulses, these all things are purchased. Then shopkeeper use this type of weighing bars. So I hope you understood the complete chapter and try to complete the maths book. Thank you.